DNUT stock analysis is super interesting. Is it a buy? Covering all this in this very short 1-minute video. As the guy that's done the most 40,000 videos on YouTube regarding this niche, right? The most videos ever, and actually documented them all. I mean, I'm here to say that it's just a bearish market for me currently. Like, I'm not any type of wizard. I'm just the guy that's putting a lot of effort, recorded that, and seeing what's actually working for him. And in this specific interesting case, nothing interesting and nothing unusual here. It's just a bearish market, you know, like the likelihood that this thing just kind of keeps crashing, if you ask me, quite high. So only if I see the price actually pulling a tad bit lower and then showing me some sort of a double break or something like that, then yeah, sure, I'm gonna look to take things further down, but randomly, not necessarily. And I'm not gonna see here, bro, starting to buy like crazy. No. So I will continue to keep you updated. Let me just do this. If you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.